you overcome the emotions suffered by having those frustrating trades where you get stopped out only for the market to then turn around and then go back up to your original targets and beyond or whatever? And there's a really good example from that from yesterday actually. I was in the day trading room yesterday morning, and we'd put a long on the euro dollar yesterday morning, and it chopped around. So we'd got in the morning over here, and then it just chopped sideways for hours and hours and hours, and then even went up a bit. It got close to our first target. This was a day trade, so our first target was up in this zone here, and only to then roll back down and stop us out. This was later in the day by the time it did that, so it was what, 5 o'clock I think. And then later on, it's then turned all the way back up by the time we come into the evening, and hit those levels. Now, if you allow yourself to get frustrated by something like that, that's not healthy as a trader, because if you get frustrated, what does that tend to breed? That tends to breed over trading, because you're more likely to then get aggressive and think, right, I've got to try and make back that loss that I've previously had, or you start trying to overtrade to compensate. So the best thing to do, and certainly at outset, is to just say, do you know what, at least my analysis was right. Always try and put a positive slant onto your trading, because that helps your emotions a lot more. Just by saying something, well, at least my analysis was right, that's a good thing. I can take that as a positive, because there will be other trades where that analysis will be right and it will all work out for me. So a great example, if you do find yourself getting stopped out, don't allow yourself to get frustrated by it just because it gets stopped and then it goes flying off. Actually put a twist on it and say, well, at least my analysis was right. Then you're less likely to be emotional. You're more likely to go into your next trades with a level head and trade well. Anyway, I shall leave that thought with you for now, and I'll see you tomorrow for live trading.